So, dear students, today's topic is capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Now, before that, you have studied about capacitor. What is capacitor? Capacitor is a device which stores charge as well as electric energy. Now, what do you mean by parallel plate capacitor? What is parallel plate capacitor? Actually, parallel plate capacitor is a simplest type of capacitor in which two large plane parallel conducting plates, two large plane parallel conducting plates separated by a small distance. Separated by a small distance. Here there are two parallel plane conducting plates, two parallel plane conducting plates separated by a small distance d, separated by distance small d. Now here our task is to find the capacitor of this capacitance. Now this capacitor has plate area A, uniform surface charge density plus minus sigma, and plus minus q charge on each plate. On upper plate, charge is plus q, on lower plate, charge is minus q. Now what about electric field? Now here in three regions electric field will be considered. Region number 1, region number 2 and region number 3. Region number 1 means region above the upper plate, region number 2, region below the lower plate. Now actually these two arrows suggest what? These two arrows suggest the electric field in the outer region of upper plate due to two charge plates. This is the electric field due to first charge plate. This is the electric field due to second charge plate. Similarly here also, this is the electric field due to first charge plate. This is the electric field due to second charge plate. And both electric field in this region and in this region will cancel out. So the net field will be 0. Net field will be 0. So this is the expression for electric field in the upper region of upper plate and lower region of lower plate. E is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught minus sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. Actually, dear students, you know about the Gauss law application. One of the application of Gauss law is electric field due to thin plane sheet. Electric field due to thin plane sheet which is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. E is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. E is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. E is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught is the electric field due to electric field due to large thin plate. So here since there are two plates, so for one plate electric field will be sigma by 2 epsilon naught, for other it will be minus sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. Now in upper portion of first plate and lower portion of second plate. Upper means outer region of above plate and outer region below the plate, electric field will cancel out, so the net electric field will be 0. So where the net electric field due to this capacitor will exist? Where the net field will exist? Clearly the net field due to this capacitor will exist only in the inner region between the प्लेट्स। क्या होगा, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इसकी वजह से क्या होगी, कहाँ डेवलप करेगी नेट फील्ड, दोनों प्लेट के बीच में, दोनों प्लेट के बीच में। सो इन द इनर रीजन बिटवीन टू कैपेसिटर प्लेट्स फील्ड एट अप। अब इसमें क्या होगा, दोनों इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एक ही डायरेक्शन में होगी। एज यू नो दैट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डायरेक्टेड फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव चार्ज टू नेगेटिव चार्ज। सो इनसाइड दैट, due to positive plate, electric field will be in this region. Electric field will be directed here, from here to here, and for negative also electric field will be directed from here to here, here to here. जैसा कि आप पहले ऐसे भी जानते हो, पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या होती है, पॉजिटिव चार्ज से दूर जाती है, लेकिन निगेटिव चार्ज की तरफ अप्रोच करती है, निगेटिव चार्ज की तरफ अप्रोच करती है। तो इसकी वजह से जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होगी अंदर यहाँ पर, वो भी इसी की तरफ होगी, और इसकी वजह से जो होगी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड वो भी इसी तरफ होगी। तो दोनों फील्ड की डायरेक्शन एक ही होगी, दोनों फील्ड की डायरेक्शन एक ही होगी। और तो नेट फील्ड क्या हो जाएगी प्लेट्स के बीच में, द नेट फील्ड बिटवीन द प्लेट विल बी E is equal to sigma upon 2 plus sigma upon 2 epsilon naught is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. Why here positive sign? Because the electric field due to two charge plate will be in same direction, So in the inner region between two capacitor plates, field add up, electric field will add up, and the net field is E is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. So E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught is the net electric field between the plates. Now, when there is electric field between the plate, then definitely there will be potential difference between the plates. जब प्लेट के बीच में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है, तो डेफिनेटली प्लेट के बीच में पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस भी होगा। What is the potential difference between the plates? The potential difference between the plates V will be equal to E into D. That is electric field into distance between the plates. Distance between the plate which is equal to sigma D upon epsilon naught. Sigma by epsilon naught is E. Sigma by epsilon naught is E. Therefore, capacitance of capacitor C is equal to Q upon V. C is equal to Q upon V, and Q is equal to sigma A. Q is equal to sigma into A. Since sigma is equal to Q by A, surface charge density is what? Net charge per unit surface area. Net charge per unit surface area is called surface charge density. So Q is equal to sigma A and V is equal to sigma d by epsilon naught. So C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. So C is equal to epsilon naught A by D, that is which is the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. So capacitance of parallel plate capacitor is given as C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. So from this it is clear that the capacitance of capacitor is directly proportional to plate area. Capacitance of capacitor is inversely proportional to 1 by D, and also capacitance of capacitor is directly proportional to epsilon. What is epsilon? Epsilon is the permittivity between the two plates. Epsilon is the permittivity between the two plates, or permittivity of the medium between two plates. And here actually we have assumed that the medium between these two plates is free space or vacuum. For vacuum, permittivity is written as epsilon naught. Epsilon naught. So epsilon naught. It is the permittivity of the free space. So the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor depends on plate area. It also depends on plate separation, and it also depends on permittivity of the medium between the plate. So dear students, this is all about capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. This is actually useful because this derivation is asked in different board exams like CBSE, ICSE and state boards also. And if the question is asked like that, derive the expression for capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. Derive the expression for capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. So in this manner, you have to derive this in your answer book. So dear student, I hope that this topic will be clear to all of you. Only one thing you must understood that in the outer region of upper plate, outer region of upper plate, and outer region of lower plate, outer region of lower plate, the electric field will be zero. So where the electric field will be zero? Outer region of upper plate and outer region of lower plate. The electric field will be zero. Only electric field will exist, the net electric field will exist between the plates of capacitor, that is in the inner region between two capacitor plates. In the inner region between two capacitor plates.